Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you fix cannot send request. So guys, if you are trying to send request on Facebook and you cannot send Facebook request, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start over without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do, you have to just simply close this page. Now after that, simply open Facebook and make sure that you are properly connected on internet. Now after that guys, type your menu and from here simply scroll it below. Now from here guys, tap on help and support. Now from here guys, simply tap on report a problem. Tap here. Now after that guys, simply shake your device and continue to report. Now after that guys, simply don't include, tap on here. And from here guys, simply you can see here friend request, tap on this. Now from here guys, what we need to do, we have to just simply explain your problem in a brief way that you cannot be send friend request on Facebook. And after that guys, simply tap on here, take a screenshot and give a screenshot of your problem. And after that guys, simply send to Facebook team and they will oversight this matter and they will try to help you within 24 hours and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.